Crows are extremely intelligent creatures who can recognize themselves in the mirror and plan for the future. But there are more amazing facts that you probably didn't know. So let's take a look at the top 5 surprising facts about crows. Number 5. They have distinct personalities. Researchers have found that crows have unique personalities, just like humans do. They exhibit different behaviors depending on their mood, such as being curious, cautious, grumpy, or playful. And just like us, their mood can affect how they interact with others. For example, if a crow is feeling grumpy, it may not want to play with its peers or even caw. However, if a crow is in a good mood, it will be more likely to explore new things and be more sociable. And while some crows are outgoing and friendly, others are more shy and reserved. Some crows are even a little mischievous and seem to enjoy playing tricks on humans and other animals. No matter what their personality, each crow is unique and has something special to offer. By learning more about their individual personalities, we can better understand these fascinating birds and appreciate them even more. They can form strong bonds with their caretakers. Crows are highly social creatures who form strong bonds with their caretakers. When humans provide them with the love, care, and attention they need, crows can become incredibly affectionate and even develop a sense of loyalty. In some cases, they will even form a strong bond with one person in particular, following them around and eagerly greeting them when they return. They will also be very vocal with their affection, often cawing loudly to get their caretaker's attention. When a crow develops a bond with a human, it is truly a special thing. With their intelligence, playfulness, and affectionate nature, they make wonderful companions and can bring a lot of joy to their owners. If you are lucky enough to form a bond with a crow, you will have a friend for life. Number 3, they can use tools to get what they want. Crows are highly intelligent creatures, and they use their smarts to get what they want. They have been observed using sticks and other tools to help them reach their goals. For example, crows have been known to use sticks to probe for food in hard to reach places. They also use sticks to scratch themselves when they can't reach their back. Crows will also use any means necessary to get their hands on a tasty treat. They have been known to use mirrors to see where food is hidden and even figure out how to open bird feeders. They are also clever enough to realize that humans sometimes have food and will follow people around until they get something to eat. If there is food involved, crows will not hesitate to use whatever tools necessary to get it. Their intelligence and resourcefulness are truly amazing, and it's fun to watch them figure out how to get what they want. 2, they have excellent memories. Crows have excellent memories, which is one of the reasons why they are so smart. They can remember where food sources are located, which allows them to return to those areas and forage again in the future. This is especially important during the winter months, when food is scarce. Additionally, crows can remember the faces of their predators and avoid them if possible. This helps keep them safe from harm and allows them to live longer lives. Their ability to remember complex information and use it to their advantage is a testament to their intelligence. Crows are truly remarkable creatures, and their excellent memories are just one of the things that make them so great. Number 1, they can count. Yes, you heard that right. Crows can count. Scientists conducted a series of experiments with crows and found that they can actually count up to 5. The researchers were able to teach the crows the value of certain symbols, and then they presented them with a series of problems that required them to count. For example, the scientists would show a crow a series of 3 dots, and then ask it to select the one that matched the number 3. In another experiment, the scientists taught crows the names of shapes, and then asked them to identify the shape that did not belong. For example, they would show a crow a series of 4 circles and 1 triangle, and then ask it to identify the triangle. The crows were able to successfully complete these tasks, demonstrating their ability to count and perform other complex cognitive functions. This is amazing news for anyone interested in animal intelligence, and it just goes to show that crows are capable of much more than we give them credit for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.